Welcome to Excellion. Your file transfer problems are solved. This video demonstrates the use of the Excellion web interface for sending and receiving files securely. After successfully logging into the Excellion web interface, you're presented with the Send File page. To begin to construct your email and attach your files, start typing in the recipient's email address, and as you can see, there's an autocomplete list that comes up, and these are addresses I've sent to in the past using my Excellion web account, or any addresses I've added to my contact list. There's fields for CC and BCC addresses, a subject field. Now we come down to our attachments. There's a listed maximum of 10 attachments per email. I can attach folders as well as files. So for example, if I were to attach one folder and 9 individual files, that'll bring me up to that 10 attachment maximum. However, under that one folder or any other folder that I've attached, I can have as many subfolders and as many files as I'd like. The only restriction that we have here is all those folders and files added together should not exceed 20 gig in size. To begin attaching folders or files, click the Choose File button. Standard Windows box appears, and I choose my file. And as you can see, it lists it for you in the email template here. And I also have the option to remove any folder or file that I've attached if I've changed my mind. We also offer a cosmetic bar that allows you to change the text color, size of the font, font style, add bullet points, and so forth. Come down, type in the body of the email, whatever you'd like to say to the recipient. We give each user the ability to enter an email signature for their account. A couple options down at the bottom here, send me a copy, allows a copy of this webmail to be sent to my corporate email box, so I'll have a record of what the recipient sees, including the secure link that's inserted in the email. Notify on file delivery is a return receipt function. So once the recipient of this email successfully downloads the file I've attached, I'll receive an email back letting me know the exact time and date of the successful download. If there are multiple recipients in the To field or any in the CC or BCC field, I'll get an individual email for each download identifying each unique user. There's also a couple options up top that allow end users to invite external users to use the system. The Invite button and the Request File button. The Invite button creates a permanent account for the external recipient, and the Request File button acts as a one-time event. So for example, if I were to click the Request File button, add an email address here, create a CC address, subject field, and add a notified link. Once I hit the Request File button, what will happen in this case is the application will send an email to this address inviting this user to send me a file back directly as a one-time event and does not create a permanent account on the system. Coming back to our email here, let's hit the Send button. And as you can see, there's a progress bar that pops up in the middle of the mail. The file was being uploaded from my computer to the Excellion application. Once it's completed, the Excellion application generates a unique HTTPS link, inserts that in the email, and sends the email out to the recipient. And this is a confirmation screen that we're viewing here that lets me know my email's been sent to this user. This is the file I've attached and its size. It also lets me know that I will receive a copy of this email in my Outlook client, and also a return receipt once it's downloaded. What you're viewing now is a recipient's view of an email sent using the Excellion system. This is a standard Outlook email that you're seeing right here. And once the recipient opens the email, they will notice the secure link and not the entire attachment, just a secure link in the email. Also, right above the link is an expiration time. Once this expiration date is reached, the file is completely deleted from the Excellion application and this secure link dies. As you can see, here's the link, the size of the file, along with a fingerprint applied on upload. There's also a tagline that the admin of the application can edit, which is sent out with every link that Excellion sends. So to download this file, I click on the link. My browser opens up. There is no preloaded software that needs to be installed on a recipient's computer to receive an email at any time from Excellion. Simply click on the link. Standard Windows file download box opens. Click Open, Save, or Cancel. Save. The file begins to download to my computer. And that's basically it for receiving a file. At this time, the file resides in the location that I saved it to, and I can do whatever I'd like with the file at that point. Remember, with Excellion, secure file transfer doesn't have to be a problem. With Excellion, your file transfer problems are solved.